Man, what's good, waivers, man? Before we get into this video, man, first thing is make sure y'all hit the like, comment, subscribe button for your boy. That's the first thing. And number two, make sure you watch the whole thing through. You feel me? Because first I cut it down to a 2, then I ended up going down to a 1.5, and I seen more progress on the 1.5. You feel me? But yeah, man. I know I've been slacking with the wave videos. I actually made this video like 3 weeks ago, to be honest. Just that I just didn't edit it or nothing like that. I was just being lazy. No, I've been slacking, but I'm about to be back to give y'all weekly updates. And from this haircut video that y'all about to see, I made way more progress. Like, my waves is actually way better than what you're about to see in this video. But yeah, y'all see next week though. Y'all should see next week how they looking. But yeah, man, hit the like, comment, subscribe button, man. Share my videos, share with everybody. We just trying to keep growing, you feel me? We trying to keep growing. So yeah, man, enjoy the video. Yo, what's good, YouTube, man? With another video, man. Well, to Elite 360 Waves, man, and it's about that time. I'm about to cut this wolf off, you feel me? And we about to see what type of progress I made, man. About to see how my waves just look. I'm about to go with a 2 with the grain, man. Got a new guard, all that good stuff. So I can go back with the grain. So I'm about to go 2 guard with the grain, you feel me? And yeah, we about to see what's happening under this wolf. See, I thought I had 2 more weeks left in this wolf, but then I had looked back to when I had first gave myself a haircut. And yeah, my wolf's done now, actually. I thought that next week my wolf would have been done, but it's actually done now. So yeah, man. Let's just get into this, man. Hey, hopefully, I want to set it up so where y'all can see me as I'm cutting it. You dig? Hold on. Oh wait, it's not plugged in. Oh yes, it is. Trippy. Alright. Let's see what's up. Yeah. This thing tweaking. Alright. Let's go with these plugs. Hold on. Ah, there you go. Bet. Alright. Hold on. My bad, yo. Let me put this up in the sink so I ain't gotta clean none of this. Yeah, I ain't trying to clean up no hair. Alright, let's get it, y'all. The moment y'all been waiting for, huh? I might go down lower though, cause yeah, this. I feel like this 2 guy not doing it for me. Real talk. I might go down to a 1.5, my God. I might go down to a 1.5, real talk. Alright, hold on. I'm about to bust you down with the saw push real quick. I think I might go down lower though. Yeah, I might pull up this 1.5. Cause I actually wanted it to look like a fresh cut, and then it looked like I'm still wolfing. I think cause my hair is thick. Alright, should I go down to the 1.5? I don't know. And I hope this lighting is good for y'all though. Real talk. I hope y'all can see this. Yeah, my right side made stupid progress. Yeah. My right side made stupid. Yo, I hope y'all can see what I'm seeing right now. Oh my. My right side made stupid progress, my God. So did my top. My top looked bugging. I don't know yet though. I might cut this down even more. I might cut this down even more, dog. For real, for real. Alright, what's good, y'all? So I decided to cut it down to a 1.5, bro. Yeah, that too wasn't doing me justice. So I decided to cut it down to a 1.5. So let me just show y'all what it looked like. It actually it's popping even more now. Yeah, so I made progress on all sides. You feel me? Progress on all sides, man. So I'm about to put in work this wolf, man. But if you like the progress, all that, and if you enjoyed this video, though, hit the like and subscribe button. I'm coughing too much. Hit the like and subscribe button, man. Join the God Jason gang, man. It's your boy D Will, aka D. Signing out. You feel me? Yeah, hit the like and subscribe button, turn that notification post on. Go look at my other videos. I got vlogs, all that stuff, and I got some fire videos coming for y'all this weekend, hopefully. So hit the like and subscribe button, man. Join the Chase the game, man. And if nobody told you, I love you, but most importantly, God loves y'all more, man. And I'll catch y'all later, dog. One.